Most tech professionals leave significant value on the table because they do not negotiate. Negotiating a job offer is a skill, and it can be learned. Here is how to do it confidently. Research market rates before any conversation. Use platforms like Glassdoor, LinkedIn Salary, and local job boards to understand what professionals with your skills and experience earn in your region. Know your target before you walk in. When asked for your expected package, give a range based on your research. Anchor the top of your range slightly higher than your actual target. This gives you room to negotiate while still landing where you want. When you receive an offer, do not accept immediately. It is always acceptable to say you need 24 to 48 hours to review. Come back with a counter. Counter with a specific number, not a range. Back it up with your research and the value you bring. If the base package is fixed, negotiate on other benefits. Remote working flexibility, additional leave, training budget, or an early performance review are all worth exploring. Stay professional and positive throughout. Negotiating does not make you difficult. It signals that you understand your value. Organizations around the world expect candidates to negotiate. Know your worth and ask for it.